Hello everyone, my name is Arshi and today I'm going to show you what our YouTube to Google Slides flow does. So basically this flow converts a YouTube video URL and some instructions into a Google Slides presentation. So basically here I've asked it to make a 5-page slide from this video, and I sent it one of FlowHunt's videos, and it was able to identify which video it was, extract its content. So unlimited video ideas, that's the title of the video. Hacker News Chatbot, it's giving me an overview of every single slide. And then we can see at the end, it says that you can view and further edit your presentation here. So if we click on that, here we have it. We have 6 pages. It excluded the title page as a presentation deck. So here it is. So it gives you a basic outline of what you should be expecting to have on your Google Slides, and then you can generate scripts or contents based off this Google Slides that it has generated. So the way this chatbot works is that as input you will give it the instructions and the YouTube video URL. This generator will extract the URL of the video and give it to URL retriever, which will extract the content of that URL. And then later on in this prompt, it is said that the document content, which was our URL retriever, is given, and the instructions that the user has provided. And it all goes to a single AI agent that has tools like create presentation and create slides in the presentation. So it's able to create the slides for you and then output them like so. And the way you can access this flow is by, first of all, going to the integrations page, finding the Google Slides, and let me actually do the integration for you so you understand better. So you click on integrate new Google Slides, you click on your account, advanced, go to FlowHunt app, select all, and continue. And just like that, you've integrated your Google Slides with the FlowHunt platform. And next off, you can go to the Flow library, search for slide, and it should be here. YouTube to Google Slides, and you can add to my flows, and then add to my flows on the top right. And that is all for this video. If you have any questions about this flow or any custom flows you want to see on FlowHunt, please let us know in the comments, and take care.